Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the face recognition system using machine learning. So first you have to create dataset, like I'm entering the Ishan and it will create the dataset, like it will take frame by frame. And after that we have to train the model, like just click on the train button and model got trained. Training the model for 30 epochs. Right now I'm only training for the 7 epochs, otherwise it will take more time. And the user interface developed using tk-enter module, that is Python inbuilt library, and Python programming language is used, and machine learning model is used for the training the data set. Okay, let's get completed the training part. So this type of project we are developing related to Python domain, like in the machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, or we also develop in the Java and the Android, okay, and web development. So if you are searching any type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or else if you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, let's train the model. The model is under training. Okay, model got trained. Now click on the test button. So it will open the laptop front camera and it will recognize that I'm Ishan. I'm just showing my photo and it will recognize the Ishan. If I'm giving the another input, like if I'm showing the different image, then it will recognize the unverified. Let's give another image. It will show the unverified. Close it, and now work with the face recognition with mask. Okay, just enter Ishan and okay. Now it will create the dataset with mask. Just click on OK and click on the train. So model will under training and it will train for the 30 epochs. Right now I'm training for the 7 epochs. So just click on the OK. Model successfully trained. Now click on the test button and it will open the laptop front camera. Now it will recognize with the mask. Like you can see, it will paste the mask in our face, and if we show the different image, and it will show the unverified, like that. Let's give another input. So this is different image and it will show unverified. If I'm showing my face, then it will show the Ishan. We have two models, like one for the without mask and one with mask. Okay, so this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon, and you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.